Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com as well as your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Friday morning forecast update. Show you the rainfall map over the next week or so. This will be the story for us as we are expecting a lot of areas will pick up maybe over 6 inches of rain over the next week or so. We will dry out a bit today, but the rain will start back up this weekend, and the heaviest rain likely to fall early next week. So kind of a lot to break down for you here, of course, as we head into the weekend. No, some of you may have some outdoor plans today as well as the weekend. Friday here as well as your Saturday, we should be able to get outside and do some things. We do have a few scattered showers in the forecast later today, but the front that's brought some of the heavier rain the past few days now pushed south of the Arklatex here, so we do have some dry air coming in behind the front. Cloudy in Shreveport, but we are seeing some drier air in the northern Arklatex, and your temperatures much nicer, low to mid 70s for everybody this morning, and high temperatures today close to 90. We'll get some sun back, and temperatures likely just a few degrees below average today. And Futurecast not showing much in the way of rain, but it does pop up a few showers this morning. More likely we would see a few storms fire up along the front this afternoon. You can see the heavier rain will definitely stay down by the coastline. So if you have some travel plans today, whether you're headed down to Lake Charles, maybe the Houston area, those will be the areas that see the heavy rain today. The Arklatex we probably won't see too much today, but you'll notice once we head into the weekend, I'll widen out the view for you again. We do have that front moving back to the north tomorrow, and then we have another front that's to the north of us. So these are what's going to combine to give us the better chance for some rain in the upcoming days here. And you can see the rain pushing a little further north on Saturday. So decent chance we'll see some scattered showers in Shreveport Saturday, and we should see the rain return to the northern Arklatex by Sunday. So we have that front basically stalling across the region here. So the rain will start to pick up, especially Sunday afternoon. Widespread rain on Monday. Monday is one of those days it could wind up being a washout, which we see more in the fall and the spring than we do the summer months here. But looks like a lot of rain coming in Monday and Tuesday, and likely going to see the rain continue Wednesday and Thursday. It may taper a bit late in the week, but if you get these repeated rounds of showers and storms, not out of the question that we do see an inch or two of rain each day next week, and you add it all up, you get those big totals here, which are showing about 4 to 6 inches of rain across much of the Arklatex. And then you can see a little bullseye here where maybe you could see a good 6 to 10 inches of rain, and some of the forecast models even showing about a foot of rain over the next week, some areas here. So I do think our lakes and rivers in good enough shape here. We should be able to handle most of this water, but once we move through next week, we start getting 3-4 inches of rain there. Ground will become fairly saturated, so we could see some roadway flooding, some stream flooding, some creek flooding, and some of the poor drainage areas. I don't think it'll be a widespread issue for us over the weekend, but it is something we'll have to watch out for. Again, next week, you get that much rain, short period of time, you could definitely see some flash flooding concerns arise, and that will kind of manifest as we move through the week. Temperatures will fall off, though. We'll be in the 80s for much of next week. We don't have any 100-degree heat, likely no heat advisories in that 7-day forecast.